Hey, so this is about eye observation and end of the year stuff. So this little video, I'm trying to figure out some other things, so I'll just make different little videos. So this one is going to be about your growth plan. So it says in the end of the year checklist to finalize the growth plan and eye observation. So you'll come to your growth plan, go to plan, view, and I think I'm showing you correctly. At least we'll both be wrong and then we can both fix it. So you come down here to your action steps, and she says that you need to complete them and then finish them. I don't know what that means to complete them. Like, I feel like we've already done that. So we're going to come here and then finish. Okay, I'm just going to go with, I'm doing this as I'm showing you. Okay. And I think that's it. So I'm just double checking before I get off of here to make sure that's not us. So I feel like that is it. Yeah, I feel like that's it. So we're finished. And then again, if we're wrong, we're both going to be wrong. So that's going to be for growth, like to finalize your growth plan.